Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see the types of congestion control algorithms in computer networks. First, we can see what is congestion. A state occurring in the network layer when the traffic is so heavy that slows down the network response time is the state of congestion. And what are the effects of congestion means as this delay increases, performance of the network decreases, and if the delay increases, a retransmission occurs, making the situation so worse. So these are the effects of congestion. So how can we prevent this congestion using some algorithms we can see in this video. And now before going to the types of algorithms, we can see the term traffic shaping. What is a traffic shaping? That is, it is a mechanism to control the amount and rate of traffic sent to the network. An approach of congestion management is known as the traffic shaping. So this traffic shaping helps to regulate the rate of data transmission and reduces this congestion. So traffic shaping helps to reduce congestion, and to do this traffic shaping we are having two algorithms. We can see that first what are these congestion control algorithms. That is, they are the mechanism that controls the entry of data packets into the network, and also it enables a better use of the shared network infrastructure and avoiding congestive collapse of the network. And these congestion avoidance algorithms are implemented at the TCP layer as the mechanism to avoid congestive collapse in the network. And there are two types of algorithms. They are leaky bucket and token bucket algorithms. First, we can see what is a leaky bucket algorithm. This algorithm is used to control the rate at which the traffic is sent to the network and shape the burst traffic to a steady traffic stream. So imagine a bucket with a small hole in the bottom, and no matter at what rate the water enters the bucket, the outflow is at constant rate. So this is the logic behind this leaky bucket algorithm. And inflow may be bursty, but the a constant outflow of water will be there in the leaky bucket when there is a small hole, and when the bucket is full with additional water entering, spills over the sides and is lost. But when the bucket is full with additional water, then the additional water entering will be spilled on the over the sides and is lost. But so this is also the involved in the case of this leaky bucket algorithm where the data is lost. And now we can see what are the steps involved in this leaky bucket algorithm. And we can say that each network interface contains a leaky bucket, and when host wants to send the packet is thrown into the bucket first, and the bucket leaks at a constant rate, meaning the network interface transmit packets at a constant rate, and the bursty traffic is now converted into a uniform traffic by the leaky bucket, we can say. And in practice, we can say the bucket is a finite queue that outputs at a finite rate. So bucket can be implemented as a queue that outputs at a finite rate. So this is what the leaky bucket algorithm follows, and where the bursty traffic can be sent as a constant flow into the network. So this is what is done in the leaky bucket by algorithm, but the data is lost when the bursty traffic, that is when the bucket is overfilled. So when it is overfilled, the data is lost. Since there is no variation in the outflow of data, the data can be lost. Now we can see what is the token bucket algorithm. The leaky bucket algorithm has a rigid output design, that is, it has a constant flow independent of this bursty traffic. So in order to deal with the bursty traffic, we need a flexible algorithm so that the data is not lost. So we go for this token bucket algorithm, where in a regular intervals tokens are thrown into the bucket. The bucket has a maximum capacity, you can say. If the packet is ready, then the token is removed from the bucket. So and the packet is sent. So suppose if there is no token in the bucket, the packet cannot be sent. So according to the tokens availability in the bucket, the packet is sent. So now we can see what is the difference between this token bucket and the leaky bucket. This token bucket is flexible and primarily regulate the rate at which the packets or requests are transmitted in the network so that the data is not lost. So in this token bucket, the data is not lost since the output rate vary depending on the size of the burst. That if the size of the burst is very large, then the output flow will also be large, so that the data is not lost. But in this leaky bucket, which is used to control the rate at which the traffic is sent to the network and shape the burst traffic to a steady traffic stream, that only will be done by this leaky bucket algorithm. The input rate can vary, but the output rate remains constant. That is, they does not change depending upon the size of the burst. So the data loss happens here, and it is a token dependent, this token bucket. This is not token dependent. So hope you will be understanding what is the difference between token bucket and leaky bucket and the concepts behind them. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.